Flacco out here getting them in. Over here fishing at the Lake Kyle, not Lake Kyle, but a little park next to Lake Kyle here. See if we can catch us something. Got a little crappie bait on it, and we got us something already. A little red breast sunfish. Beautiful colors on it. Look at that. Look at that. Whoop. Now that we dropped it, we better get it back in the water. Final look at it. Look at the color on that. She's back in the water. Get back at you in a second. And this is all we're rigging up with the little mini pole, little creek pole, little crappie bait. No weight, no nothing. So I gotta pull it out to throw it out because it doesn't go out far with no weight. Let's just let it sit and see what we get. That first bite didn't take long. Hopefully a second one doesn't either. And it didn't. We had a bite, but he let go. He spit it out. Somebody else took it. Somebody else got it. We're on. Fish on. Nice little bluegill is the second fish. Up, out, out. Pricky little guy. Nice bluegill. Small, but I'll take it. At least we're not skunked. Let's get him back out. Let's go ahead and get it in one more time. See if anything takes it. Or if they're done with my tricks probably. Nope, we got us a bite. They're pulling. Nothing landed yet. Nothing landed yet. They want it. They want it. Let's toss it by. Toss it by the little log here. Show you by the setup here. Where we're at. We're fishing literally this little area here. And we got a fish on. Oh, no, we don't. Almost. We'll get one. Bro-in-law Rudy. Fishing. Cast another one out. Fuck it. Small creek right here. Running off. We're just chasing the creek. We're right here. There's a park right around the corner. So kids are playing right there with the wives. We're getting it in, try to get us a fish. Come on. He's got movement on his pole.
Come on, take it. Thanks to shit.
Nothing? Got a nice red breast.
Yeah.
Fish on. That motherfucker is nice. Focus camera. Bam, look at that. Nice little bad boy. By the boy Rudy. Toss him off if you want to hook him. That was the hungry one, huh?
This is the hungry one. I'm gonna let you go, buddy. Just chill out.
Alright. Caught 3 or 4 fish. Rudy caught 1.
Yeah, buddy.
Crappie bait. Proof. Little pole. Now gonna go back to the house. Barbecue. Put up the Christmas lights. Drink some beer. It's your boy Flacco. I'm out.